how to find your IMEI numbers in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings, app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on about phone. So after click on about phone, you will see first option is data information. So click on status information. Now here, so click on IMEI information. So after click on IMEI information, so you will see, so if you want to find IMEI number in second, so you will see IMEI number is here. So after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can find your IMEI numbers in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.